Hello guys, that's Chris from CafeRussian.com, and today I have the final announcement to make. If you are a beginner in learning Russian language, if you like Russian language and want to learn it on your own, you are a kind of person that I'm looking for. Through my experience of teaching Russian, and I've been teaching I think for like 4 years, maybe even more. A lot of students, they were asking me, is it possible to learn Russian on your own? And my honest answer is yes, it is possible, but you will need a little help to overcome this first huge obstacle you're going to face. And this obstacle is feeling lost in a lot of things you have to learn, like vocabulary-wise and grammar-wise. Basically, all the things we have in Russian grammar, what to learn first, where to focus, how to grow the vocabulary you will need to use the grammar you are learning. And I know what I'm talking about because I'm learning Japanese myself, and I had these 3, maybe even 4 attempts of starting and basically giving up before I actually made it my habits, before I actually made it a part of my everyday routine, and I overcame this first huge obstacle and we started enjoying learning Japanese and basically speaking Japanese. And for the last half a year, I was creating this super cool course that I feel extremely proud of, that will help you to overcome this first obstacle. Through this course, we will grow the vocabulary you will need for your everyday communication. A big list of must-know vocabulary, and we will learn it through practice. 70% of our course is going to be practice. Plus, we will master this absolutely must-know grammar for you to practice this vocabulary, and through the course I will give you a really good solid understanding of all grammar things we have in Russian language and what you need from the very beginning and what things can wait until you feel more comfortable with the first very basic thing. This course is going to be live. We are going to meet on Zoom 8 times, 4 weeks, 2 times every week, Saturday and Sunday, Moscow time from 8 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. That's Moscow time, guys. Be careful if you are not in Moscow, probably you are not. Just check what time it is in your country. 8 meetings, 2.5 meetings every time. And this course is going to be 8 people max. And guys, 7 people have already signed. There is only 1 spot left, and I'm looking for the very last person who would like to join our friendly team and overcome this first obstacle in the next 4 weeks. And then you can continue this journey on your own. I will create a little plan, a personal plan for every student after this course, and you can study according to this plan. This course will start June 18, which is this Saturday, and it will go for 4 weeks. So this week, Saturday and Sunday, we will have our 2 first meetings. Plus, you will have home task after every week, and you can do it through the week until the next lessons. And I will support you through the whole course. You will ask me any questions you have, and you will have records of every meeting. So basically through the week you can review the material. This course is $100 American for 8 meetings, plus my support throughout these 4 weeks, and plus your personal plan for self-studying at the end of the course. Remember guys, only 1 person unfortunately can join our group because I promised it, only 8 people max, because I really want to give a lot of personal attention to every person. And even if you are an absolute beginner and you don't really know a lot about Russian, that's okay. You will not feel, like lost or left out of the group. We will start from very beginning, and you won't feel scared or overwhelmed overwhelmed by vocabulary and grammar we are going to use. Another great part of this offer, I am so sure in the quality of this course that if after first meeting you for some reason don't enjoy it, you will have the full refund, no questions asked, and no hard feelings. So guys, if you want to participate, send me a message. I will leave all my contacts down below in the description box. I will be happy to answer all your questions, and I hope to see you very soon this Saturday at our first meeting. Love you guys. Bye bye.